I'm at a place called Rockaway Park, and this is a part of Queens, essentially an island that's wedged between Jamaica Bay and the Atlantic Ocean, and it's south of Brooklyn, south of Manhattan. And with the storm at high tide tonight, both Jamaica Bay and the Atlantic Ocean converged, and there was water. It seemed like the water was everywhere, but then another problem popped up, and that was a major fire. There was a fire in this area of Rockaway Park that was consuming not only businesses but apartment buildings as well. And this is a flood-prone area, and yet there were still residents here. They hadn't heeded the calls to evacuate. They were here. They were going to ride out the storm, but then this fire happened. And then members of this specialized New York Fire Department unit had to go in and rescue them. And I saw these guys. There were about 5 to 10 of them. They were wading through high water. They had a Zodiac boat with them. And they had to scale some of these buildings to get to some of the people who were trapped in their apartment buildings as this fire was spreading. And because of the high water, the fire department couldn't get their hoses and any water on these fires, just because it was at the height of the storm. So these members of this specialized unit had to go in without all that, wade through the high water, scale some of these buildings, break through windows, get into these apartments, and then usher some of these residents down into the water and then walk them through the water to higher ground. And there wasn't a lot of high ground to find, but they were able to find some, and they got these people out. We're talking maybe as many as 30 to 40 people rescued over the course of about 3 or 4 hours. Right now, as the water has receded, the fire department has been able to get water on this fire, so they're hoping that it doesn't spread further. But one firefighter was telling me that they think maybe as many as 4 or 5 buildings have already been consumed by this fire.